Hello traders, welcome to today's video on FX Prime Indicator for MT4. This version uses a sequence of green and red colored boxes in a sub-window to show both the direction and the relative strength of the current trend. Follow the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. As you can see over here, the FX Prime Indicator appears in its own sub-window below the main price chart as a row or grid of small boxes that changes color over time, with the blue dot representing the transition between the trends. The green boxes indicate bullish conditions, while red boxes indicate bearish conditions. And the continuity or clustering of one color shows how persistent that trend phase is. Long stretches of green boxes point to a stronger or more sustained uptrend, and long stretches of red boxes point to a stronger or more sustained downtrend. And frequent alternation between green and red visually highlights choppy or indecisive markets where trend following setups may be lower quality. If we go over to its input, we have the RSI period and RSI price, with the period controlling how many bars are used to calculate the underlying RSI that drives the color logic, directly affecting how quickly the boxes respond to changes in momentum. And we have the RSI price that determines which price is fed into the RSI computation. We also have alerts that allow you to turn notifications on or off for both buy, sell, and exit signals on the chart. So let's move on to who it's for and its limitations. This FX Prime indicator suits traders who want a compact, color-coded momentum and trend filter that's easy to read at a glance. It is still based on RSI and fixed threshold, so you can flip in ranging or news-driven conditions. I will not catch every strong move cleanly. It should therefore be used as a supporting confirmation tool alongside price action, support and resistance, and disciplined risk management, rather than as a stand alone or complete trading system. You can find the download link in the description below and also read more about the FX Prime indicator for MT4 and see example uses at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.